Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome to my Funzine review. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. So this is Funzine, an early access title. This means the only people that can see the reviews are the developers themselves. And with over 100,000 downloads, to say that this is a tad concerning is an understatement, okay? But we're going to give it the benefit of the doubt. Let's go on a journey here, me and you, on Funzine to see if it's actually going to pay us or not. For those who do not know, Funzine promises real cash for us to read the news. Now this is what it looks like when you launch Funzine up. Straight away it's asking me to tap the award button, so let's do that now. This brings up the award center, and as you can see here, Funzine has a sign-in bonus page where apparently I can collect my first bonus now. So tapping on the first sign-in bonus instantly has generated us $120 apparently. So let's just tap the claim and see what happens. So now it seems that money has been applied to my balance. Not only that, you can see that my coins are rapidly going up as well every second. The app now wants me to tap on the gift button. Tapping on the gift button brings up a mystery reward area. Now we've seen these type of systems before, and I have to say everyone, my, belief that this is ever going to be a legitimate system is very, very slim. Because I've been down this road before, and I'm fairly sure you guys have been down this road before as well. Now going onto the home tab here, the application has again just thrown up $6 worth of currency, but apparently if I tap this button, I can get a times 10 to make it $60. So I've just done that now, and as you can see at the top of the screen there, my balance has been updated to $180. Going back to that mystery box page, you can see that there's various items at the bottom of the screen. If you pay attention here to the items, you'll notice that these cost hundreds if not thousands of dollars each, and the fact that the application is claiming if we get enough puzzle pieces, we can actually win these items and they'll send them to our home, I just find it hilarious. Looking at the top of the screen to the mystery box section, it states that if I browse 2 articles, I can then get 2 free draws to win these apparent blind boxes. Now you'll notice here that all I need to do is tap the open button, so let's just do that now. And now as you see, one of these free gifts has just appeared. Apparently 10 puzzle pieces for this Rolex watch. Tapping claim has now added those puzzle pieces to the Rolex watch giveaway. I'm going to move away from this area now because I really don't like this system, and I think it's a waste of time that's just going to spam you with ads eventually. And to prove exactly that, let's count how many times I need to open this up for an advertisement to start playing. So I've just tapped open again. Let's see what happens. Apparently 10 pieces for a Dyson vacuum cleaner, and then an advertisement instantly appeared. See what I mean, everyone? These applications are built very specifically to get you to watch ads straight off the bat. And it's very frustrating, I can tell you that much. Now heading back to the award center here, you'll notice if I tap on the My Coupons button, it takes you to the official cash out page. At the top of the screen, you can see the various cash out options. I'm focusing specifically on the PayPal cash out, where you can see it's offering $360 for either 3 million coins or straight up $360 cash. Now tapping on these various different buttons will bring up the exact same amount needed, so it doesn't matter really what method you choose, it's all the same. And again, we've seen this many times before. So apparently I've generated $180 in about 2 minutes. There is an achievement task section here where apparently if I watch articles for 5 minutes in total, I'll earn $18. Whereas if I open the blind box rewards 2 times, I'll win 5,000 coins. So it's one of those situations where they're trying to get you to do as many activities on the application as possible, which you'll see in a second generates advertisement views for them. So now this is the home tab where these articles can be found. At the moment, you can see at the top of the screen, we have the news tab, the entertainment tab, the life tab, sports tab, and tech tab. Right now, the news tab is completely broken for me. So as you can see here, I have a little rewarded icon which says 1 out of 3 treasures received, and I earned about $1.32 in roughly 10 seconds. Okay, so the entertainment tab is broken as well. Let's try the next tab over, which is the life tab. Okay, so the life tab actually brings up some articles. Now, all I need to do apparently is just simply browse through these articles, and then Funzine will start rewarding me, which you just saw then. I'm now up to $184 worth of currency, and it states that I can get that chest in about maybe another 10 seconds or so. I have a feeling the treasure chest system is going to be the most ridiculous part, because as you can see now, within about 1 minute of reading articles, I've just earned $2.80, and I can claim a ×6 bonus. So let's tap on that ×6 bonus and see what happens. Okay, just done it now, and it seems that it's applied to my account, and thankfully it did not play an advertisement straight away. So now we're sitting on $201. I have a feeling we're either going to be hit with diminishing returns on this application to get us to watch as many ads as possible, and I have a feeling advertisements are going to start playing within the next 1 or 2 rewards. But not only that, what ends up happening as well is that it will put us behind either a time wall where it says that you have to wait a certain amount of days, or we'll either have to pay them money to activate the order, or we'll have to watch a certain amount of advertisements, which keeps on extending itself over and over again in an endless loop. Because right now, as you can see, I've now earned $2.80 again, but it only says a ×5 bonus and I have to watch an advertisement. Tapping on this normal little claim button here will force an advertisement anyway. So they're pretty much forcing you to watch the ×5 ad. So I'll just do that now for you. Okay, the advertisement has been watched, and now you can see my balance has updated there. We are now sitting on $219 in the span of about 5 minutes. All you need to do is literally just keep scrolling through the articles, and you'll notice that little money icon will keep on generating either the coins or the little pop-up that just appeared now, which is that supposed cash. So now we're at $2.10, and I can do the claim 5 again, or the normal claim. I'm just going to do the claim 5 for the video's sakes. Okay, so now we're sitting on $232 there. Let's head over to the sports tab and see if that tab works at least. From what I can tell so far, this is a very glitchy and broken application, by the way. I really don't think that this is what you guys are expecting out there when you see the advertisements for Funzine. I seriously doubt that this application is even legal, honestly. They're probably just stealing these news articles. I'd be shocked if they're actually creating these articles on their own. It just feels like they've just taken articles from another website and plopped it straight into the application. I'm going to save you all a lot of time right now and do the grinding off camera here, so I'm going to be back when I can either eventually get to that minimum cash out of about $360, or I end up rage quitting because of the diminishing returns that are already active. Check it out, everyone. We only have $1.60 now, and I can do a claim ×5. But you can already see they're starting to reduce the amount of money I'm receiving per article. And I'm going to prove it even further, because I'm going to keep using this until I can show you definitive proof of malicious diminishing returns. I'll be back in a second. Alright, here we go. The bag of tricks has been opened already, okay? It's been 2 ad watches, and look at this, everyone. 80 cents now with a ×5 bonus. You can already see the wheels in motion here for the diminishing return system. Let's continue on. Okay, update time, guys. We're sitting on 700,000 coins and $351. And you are seeing this firsthand, right? I have been downgraded to 8 cents now, and I can do a ×5 if I watch the advertisement. Funzine has nothing but a diminishing return system that's completely malicious against you guys out there to get you to watch ads over and over again, to never receive your funds, in my honest opinion. Plus, it just forces ads down your throat. If you think you're going to get $360 in under an hour just by reading some articles, then you're more than welcome to try it out, but I truly believe it's nothing but a waste of time. And I've covered probably over 500 money-making apps and methods at this point. If you actually want legitimate money-making methods, check out my YouTube channel's playlist, and of course my website. Links in the description below. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.